Today is July 2nd, 2019. This is our Toyota Sienna, license plate 857MGJ. Today I had the steering rack replaced at Brakes Plus on Mitchell Drive in Fort Collins, Colorado. And they did replace the rack, but two things went wrong. First one is that when you replace the rack, you have to take off the outer tie rods and realign the car. And although their computer printout shows the proper specs, when you drive the car, it veers off strongly to the right. So I made an appointment with them for tomorrow to get that fixed. Second thing is that you have to replace all the power steering fluid, of course, when you replace the rack. You can see over here, this is the reservoir. You can see there's fluid all over the place. You can see it on the edge of the plastic, and you can see it on the edge of the mounting bracket down at the bottom over there. You can see like a sheen from fluid having spilled near these welds on the unibody here. So now if you look under the driver's side front wheel, you can see there's two little puddles on the floor here. And where are they coming from? Well, they're coming from the fact that there's fluid spilled everywhere, all over these suspension members and frame members. I don't really care about the frame too much, it should be fine, but the suspension parts will have rubber, and a lot of these hydraulic type fluids degrade rubber. So now on the other side of the vehicle, I'm going to move around to the driver's side. Behind the left front wheel, you can see two more puddles here. And you can see there's fluid all over the place here as well. You can see it there. And you can see it all over here. And it doesn't look like any effort at all was made to clean it up. And you can actually see it about to drip. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There you go, you can see the little drip just about to come off over here. Anyway, there's a fair amount of fluid, and you know, we don't particularly need it on the CV boots here. It's probably going to degrade the rubber, or at least it might. Anyway, this is just for documentation, show what went wrong.